Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing great in your studies and in your life also. So today I am going to tell you from where you can get the previous year papers. But before we will discuss about the importance of the previous year papers, because there is a thing which I want to share with you all is that when we attempt mock test, and if the mock test is slightly tough and we get less marks, then we get very much demotivated, because then we keep thinking that I am getting less marks than the cutoff and then others. I am way behind than other aspirants. So I will not be able to clear the exams. So these things keep revolving in our mind. And we keep creating self-doubt, and it affects our preparation a lot. Whenever we sit for studying, these things revolve in our mind, that am I doing enough? Is it enough to clear the exam? Will I be able to clear it, or should I devote one more year for the preparation? So these things keep going on in our mind, and these things just make our confidence weak, because self doubt is a very crucial thing which we all go through. At one point of time, we all get self doubt, okay, because we don't know how others clear the exam. We are going on by our strategy, and we just keep doubting it, that whether it will work for the exam or not, okay, whether I will be able to clear the exam with this strategy or not. So we do not believe our strategy. But one thing I want to tell you is that no matter if you are getting less marks in mocks, then it is not sure that you will not clear the exam, because mock tests are slightly tough than the real exam level, and it is very important to know the pattern of previous year, to know which level of questions were asked in the previous year papers. And by solving previous year papers, we can boost our confidence that yes, I can clear the exam, yes, I have prepared till this level that I can clear it, okay. So it is very important to solve the previous year papers, but many candidates find it difficult. They are just confused from where to get the previous year papers. So today I will tell you from where you can get these previous year papers and solutions. So Olive Board has launched 2 free ebooks which contain RRB PO and RRB Clerk 2020 memory based paper. It has the full paper and the solution also. So these papers are quite useful, because the RRB exam is near. We will get the idea of the level of questions. What you can do is start a timer of 40 minutes and then start solving 45 minutes. Keep a timer of 45 minutes and start solving the previous year paper, and after that see how many questions you were able to attempt, because these questions are memory based questions and the level of exam was same. So you will get the idea that in the real exam how many marks you can get. So try to keep a timer of 45 minutes, try to solve these questions, try to analyze your level, and then it will boost your confidence, because when we keep attempting the mock test and if we get less marks, our confidence decrease, but it will give a boost to your confidence and your mind also, and you will feel more confident in your preparation. So try to give these previous year papers, try to solve these papers, and the link will be given in the description and in the pinned comment, and there is no need to worry. Both of these ebooks are free. You can go and download it, okay. Just click on the link and download the ebooks. So that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day, and I will keep you updating about all the free material which I will come to know. So that's all. All the best for your upcoming exams. and all the best for today also. Thank you.